What's going on? What are you doing?
Oh no, this feels just like the time I died.
Huh? So if you're dead, who am I talking to? Your ghost or something? A lost soul haunting me?
Huh. But you can still hear my voice over your cell phone. I see. So I've left my body, but somehow I'm still talking to you at home on the phone at the same time.
You're tripping out on me again.
So this means that, well, yeah.
My spirit is capable of traveling while I'm still alive.
If you're gonna keep freaking me out like this, I'm gonna have to hang up.
No. Please don't hang up. I promise I won't talk weird anymore. Come on, please don't hang up.
Oh.
Don't hang up. Don't hang up. Don't hang up.
Sometimes I really think you're lost in space.
Hey. Huh? The ring.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. So you want to go out sometime, do something?
Huh? But what does that have to do with the ring?
But how did you know about that?
It's obvious, Tokyo. I know you. So, where do you want to go?
I don't know. Let me see now.
The sea. Let's go to the sea.
Let's go to American Burger. Just kidding.
I guess I'll just have to learn to eat it.
We don't really have to go there, you know. I just want to go out and have dinner together.
Oh, Tokyo. You want more than